Gold versus stocks. What's the smarter bet? Stocks or gold? Which one's the smarter investment for your future? Let's break it down. Stocks can deliver big returns, but they're also volatile. They depend on market conditions, and when things go south, they can crash hard. Gold, on the other hand, doesn't follow the stock market. In fact, it usually performs better when stocks are down. That's why so many investors are adding gold to their portfolios through gold IRAs. It's not about choosing one or the other, it's about balance. Want to learn how you can add gold to your retirement plan? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to get started. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.